Hello, I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to teach you how to enable cookies on iPhone. So, first things first, you're going to open up your settings app like this in your phone, and then you're going to scroll down and find the the Safari section, which is here. You're going to click that one and again scroll down and find the block all cookies section, and if that section is enabled, you're going to basically just disable that, like likewise, and then here you go. That is all. That's quite a simple process, right? So that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great rest of the day. Thank you.